Here's a convertible to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Powered by a Pontiac 350 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, power top. Nicely equipped car. Let's take a look at the chrome bumper up front, the grille. This is a paint coat of R-1, so original solar red car with a white vinyl top. Take your time, look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to be the easiest way to do it. 507-386-1726. Number to call, as you can see, it's riding on the Krager SS chrome wheels. BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car came out of long-term ownership. Previous owner had it for practically 25 years. Did want to point out there's a little kind of corrosion down there in the bottom. Paint shows its age a little bit. I mean, it still has a nice shine to it. Don't get me wrong, it looks good. This car is going to turn some heads when it drives by, but it's just a little older paint. Interior has been redone to white vinyl. Bucket seats, center console. As you can see, aftermarket stereo and a little gauge cluster underneath it. We'll get around to the driver's side, start this up, take a peek underneath the hood, let you hear it run. At the very end of this video, we're also going to take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. Kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. You can see there's been spots where it's got a little chipping from tires kicking up, pebbles, what have you. It's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Remember, we also consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. I mentioned the aftermarket head unit for the stereo up front. There are some stereo components in the trunk too that you'll be able to see in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where those still pictures can be checked out. As you can see, dual exhaust car does have headers. Nice sounding car. We're going to start it up, like I said. Towards the end of the video here, if you're into the late 60s classics, maybe like Pontiacs, Chevys, Fords, Plymouth, Dodge, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may get to see for cars that come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. These are available to purchase when the videos are uploaded. You can purchase them through our website, consult with a sales associate, and or off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. The top is a white vinyl top. It is power functions as it should, and I'm going to show you that going up and down here shortly. First of all, let's check out the door panels. Have been recovered, and like I said, white vinyl seats. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer, start it up, let's hear it run. Aftermarket tack, as you can see on the steering column. There's that Jensen AM FM CD player. Aftermarket gauge cluster down below. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. One thing I did note, when it's at idle, that generator light will be on, but once the RPMs come up, it will go off once it starts charging, so kind of a temporary when it's at a low idle. Wanted to point that out though. Top of the dash. Let's take a look at these aftermarket gauges. Water temp, wouldn't expect that to be up. That was a cold start. Voltmeter, oil pressure, stereo does work. We power it up. Hear that or the rumble of the engine. There we go. notice that brake pedal hangs up just a tad. Let's check that out. That's why the brake lights are on. Just very touchy brake pedal. As you can tell by listening to that V8, it sounds good. Again, Pontiac 350 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. Headers, dual exhaust. Let's slip up to the front here. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Want to get this hood popped. Check out the engine bay. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Looks like a newer master cylinder brake booster, especially the booster. Again, power steering, power brakes. There is a battery disconnect over here. One that's in storage or in between drives. Looks like a newer battery. Installed this past spring. Gives you an idea how it looks underneath the hood and how it sounds. Alright, let's go ahead. Let me get this set up with the camera so I can show you the top going up and down. We'll check out the condition of that, then we'll wrap up this video. But stick around to the very end. Like I said, we're going to take this car out, go down the road with it, show you how it drives out. And here it is with the top up. As you can see, power top functions as it should. White vinyl. Nice tight fit above the windshield. See, I also rolled up the side glass for you to see how that fits. There's a little bit of scratching in the side glass. I can see that. Again, nothing that's going to affect how that side glass performs or anything. Just want to point it out. Rear window is clean. Clear, see through it. One of those you need it to keep you out of the sun. Maybe a brief shower if you're out driving it. It's going to serve its purpose just fine, but overall, how many times do you have this top up? Free of rips, tears, holes, one little tiny one. Just right there, if you will, if you can kind of see that. Again, pretty minor. All right, I tell you what, I'll show you the top function and going back down so you can see the power top work both ways. And there it is, power top back down, 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures, top to bottom, undersides, interior, engine bay. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a bright red 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible with the hood scoops and the 350 emblem on the side of the scoop. A very classic looking Firebird. Pro Racing tack from Equus. Older looking, vintage looking tack mounted to that column. This is an automatic on the center console, so it is easy to drive. We do have the convertible top up today. Jensen stereo in the dash. Under the dash there's a triple gauge set with volts showing about 13, oil pressure at about 60, and the water temperature is just under 190. Looks like about 180 degrees. That's all looking good. Our wipers work, our blower motor works on this car. Power convertible switch right here in the dash. Factory looking white vinyl bucket seats. Good color combo with white on the doors, white seats, red dash and black carpet. Smooth running Firebird. Got a nice rumble to it. Wind noise isn't really even that bad today. Decent weather seals on this convertible top. Power brakes are working well. This car corners nicely. It does not lean very much. Kick down working on that automatic transmission. Just a very fun convertible to drive. A bright red Firebird convertible from 1968. Definitely take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.